Marina. I am an intern here in the Public Affairs Department, and today is my last day, unfortunately. After 3 months, I haven't understood how time has passed, but it was a great experience. I liked it a lot, and I wish I could stay more here. The internship here was a very rich experience after all, and we have a lot of events organized, and we met a lot of new people, from professors to students and everybody. And the most interesting was that the consulate seems to be very dedicated to the environment, and we had a lot of events and actions organized to this direction in order to raise public awareness and inform people of how they can protect the environment and save energy. And we're still having many events to this direction. And a very interesting point was also that we had a lot of responsibilities, and I think that this is the most important part of an internship, that people here who had a real job trusted us and weren't afraid of giving a lot of responsibilities to us, and that made us better and gave us a lot of experience. So I believe that through this internship I'm better, and I know definitely more, and I have made some real friends, and this is the best thing, the best part of it. I hope the next interns that will come from next week will be as lucky as I was.
Hi, I'm an intern working at the American Consulate in Thessaloniki. This is my last day here. 3 months have passed since my first day at work. What I have to say is that this experience is the best that I have ever had in a working environment. I feel very honored that I met so wonderful people and so important people like Consul General Yi and Consul Bob, and of course all the staff of the consulate. I would also like to say that the staff of the consulate is always willing to help us and advise us when we need it. Finally, I would like to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here and work with you, and wish good luck to the next interns. Thank you. I must say that maybe we don't earn money here from our job, but we earn something more important for us. We earn experience from what we do here, and it's very important for our beginning in a working environment. We have the opportunity to meet a lot of wonderful people here in the consulate and do a lot of things like translating and organizing some events.
Do you remember when we first met? I sure do. It was sometime in early September.
For me, the funniest moment was when I had to pick up a professor from the airport, and I was so worried that I would bring the wrong person because I have never met him before, but finally I didn't.
One of the most interesting moments here in the internship, and definitely the most unforgettable one, will be my trip to Veria with the Consul General Yi. We went to the city which is near to Thessaloniki to talk to students, and we visited the local library, and that showed to me that the internship here was not just an office job, and it was not the same things going on every day. It was very interesting, very funny to be around with the Consul General, and it showed how friendly he is. But without any doubt, of course, I will never forget also the lots of hours that I spent with Mrs. Ioanna and Xenia preparing for the events, and trying to have everything ready, and so that everything will be perfect. And also how the relief we felt after the event and after everything had gone as we had prepared it. So I think, yes, these are the best experiences.
It's our night, fly to the top, baby. Yes, we can do it, just wait and see.